another fantastic Kids CD. Today we'll be opening some more surprises. So let's open them up. Marvel
Wow.
Which one do you want?
I have to say I want Ant-Man, Vision, Groot, or Daredevil. Or Falcon.
Okay, don't open it yet. Let's wait till.
One of the exclusives.
I'm gonna get her.
You want Gamora? Is there another girl on there?
Oh, no, it's just Gamora. Wait a minute. Unless it's one of the exclusives.
Daddy, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it.
We wanted Groot and we got
Kidding.
2 Groots.
Are you
Wait a
kidding?
minute, did she get? Oh, we got the same one, and we got the
It's
normal.
okay. That's
We
okay.
got exclusive.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Do we have more of those?
Mm-hmm.
We do.
Yeah.
I want to open some
Wow.
more.
I'm going to show you a Groot.
I got
Awesome, he's so cute.
Baby Groot.
His eyes look like Batman, huh? And his bucket is so cute, and his arms they can move. He has 2 fingers.
Don't cry, Mike. Say cheese. Don't cry, Mike. Say cheese. Don't cry, Mike. Say cheese.
Well, guys, we opened some Kool-Aid surprises. We got Groot in the pot from Marvel Blind bags, and the same thing. We love sharing our surprises with you. Don't forget to leave a comment below and just click the subscribe button. And remember, have a fantastic day, and thanks for watching.
Bye.